this dust and grime, a sense of purpose still lives within me. I don't need to have everything just to feel that I am truly alive. All it takes is a single smile, or one simple act of kindness. And when the bright lights fade away, the air I breathe remains. The things that truly matter are what give me the strength to hold it all together. I appreciate and respect my life. It is my home, my sign, my rhythm. I appreciate and respect my life. Even when I've had enough, I keep moving forward within it.
Bilhin ko bike mo, $100. Ang naman, di ka naman marunong mag-bike.
Ikaw marunong pa.
Wala nga na, nihahawakan lang mga nihahawakan lang ito.
Ano?
Hindi pa kaya marunong mag-bike.
Hindi.
Nihahawakan ka pa nga ng mga tropa mo.
Ba't ka nangangalap?
Kanina damit kang Gab. Anong sinalihan mong larong pambansa? Na, Gab. Gab. Anong sinalihan mong larong pambansa?
Larong ang bansa.
Ano mo na? 11 years old, tapos lumipat ka sa high school?
Ano?
Ha?
Ano ba yung B? Hoy, mamukot!
Sabay mo siya dyan.
Ba't ibay ko yun? Pinasok mo pa kasi, nakalabas pa lang eh.